If I was really doing this,
Turn right to stay on
I'd make
Passaic Avenue.
I'd make $1,000 a week, easy. And if you like, on just Saturday, just working Saturday.
Yeah, I get that.
To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son. What's up, Believe Nation? It's Evan. I believe in you, and this channel is designed to be a part of your daily success routine. So today, let's learn how to make $1,000 a week garage sale flipping with Gary Vaynerchuk. Also, if you want to know what Gary Vee and other successful entrepreneurs have to say about building unstoppable confidence, check out my 254 Confidence series, where every day for the next 254 days, I will send you a morning video for free to help you build your confidence. The link to join is in the description below.
The reason people don't put themselves in a position to fail, the reason people aren't patient, is they value other people's opinions too much. The thing about garage sale that really turns me on is the thrill of the hunt, because it's the place where you can really score. A huge box of toys for $3 worth $300.
How many cash can your room carry on you?
Usually 400. I don't need that much. $15, $30. I don't know. Usually, truly, you only need about $100. This could be decent. It looks a little too new, but we're about to f***ing strike. There's striking to be done here. How much are the stuffed animals? 50 cents. Good. SpongeBob, maybe?
Oh, yes. Sam's got colored. The Winnie the Pooh kind of got colored.
How much is this?
What's cup in order to count, by the way?
All right, stuffed animals continue to be my score. 50 cents a pop. Dumbo, Disney Store. Snuffleupagus. Bang. Olaf. What? And this one's gonna be a beast. The FAO Schwartz giraffe. So we just looked it up. The Jeffrey giraffe Toys R Us FAO Schwartz combo, $30.
Left you.
Paid 50 cents. I don't know what else to say. After eBay fees, it's just like a quick $20. Just a lot of people not making $20 an hour. And that's just one of the things. Wait till I look up the Snuffleupagus. Thank you so much. You got it? This is pretty exciting to me. Vintage Lego thing, never opened. 2003. Jesus, I'm getting old. But it's still 15 years old. I'm excited to open this up. This was a huge score. I already looked it up. Paid $3. They wanted $5. Paid $3 for these Spider-Man skates in package. Never opened as well. Or opened. Pretty excited about it. Oh, don't worry. That's so awesome by her. All right, let's go.
Stuck color?
Yeah, she goes, at least go around the corner.
Don't kill me.
So good. So good. Lego 4098. $25. Give it to me, Lily. All right, paid $2 for this. All right, cool. So some Macy's snow globes in there. And they are better than I think I thought.
You gonna go back and buy them?
Yep. Would you do 10 if I bought 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a bag?
I do have a bag.
Awesome. This is f***ing exciting. We just bought 3 snow globes for $10. And I'm fired up. I'm fired up, my guy. I'm fired up.
All right, how do you feel?
Feeling really good now. Starting to get hot. Getting some stuff now. Well over the $200 range, maybe a little bit more even. Feeling much better.
$200 a lot.
A whole lot when you need it. And like, it's probably more, we'll see.
What?
It says 2. Would you take $1 for this?
Sure.
Thanks. All right, picked up this scary bear for $1 called For Real from Tiger, 2004. Let's see what it's worth. $20 all day.
Big score.
All day, $20.
You're shot, dude.
Who, me? Because I get more excited about this than like...
anything.
Look at an angle. Oh. I get better. Just picked up 2 jerseys for $2 a piece. Kevin Durant, Seattle Supersonics jersey, pretty rare, $2. Garnett, really nice one actually. Stitched, Celtics, $2 each. We'll see. $64 for the Durant. I mean,
Paid $2.
paid $2. You saw there was a little bit of like shitty stains on it. I can clean that off. Just crazy. If I was really doing this,
Turn right to stay on
I'd make
Passaic Avenue.
$1,000 a week, easy. And if you like, on just Saturday, just working Saturday.
Yeah, I get that.
So, I mean, I genuinely think Goodwill, eBay, buying bulk on eBay, selling on Amazon, like, I just think this is the $100,000 a year thing for so many people making $30,000 to $60,000 a year. I feel phenomenal. This is the big final score. This is about $100 minimum. And now I know about Cherish Teddies. Now I'm a Cherish Teddies player. And every time you become more of a player of a new thing, look, this is very simple. Spent 40, 50, 20, $40, $50, easily now into the $500 or $600 range of resale. I just wish so many of you would do this. It's $400, $500, $600 every weekend. It's now 11:47, so we're 4 hours in. Little gas money, I get it, but like net, $200, $300, $400 every weekend. And if you don't want to be like tedious, because now you got to post and all this, cool, just throw up this huge collection of Cherish Teddies, $80, boom, quick little, $60 here. It adds up when you got groceries, when you got bills, when you got college loans, when you got rent, people sitting around dwelling. 85, 90% of this country working, minimum wages, low incomes. It just matters. Teaching people how to fish, flip life, it's real.
Now I've got a really special bonus clip from Gary giving advice to a hustling young lemonade stand entrepreneur that I think you're going to enjoy. But before that, I want to know your thoughts on this series. It's a new series I'm trying out called Make Money, where the idea is once a month giving you practical advice and tips from different entrepreneurs on how to make money every day or every week or every month in different fields. If you like the idea, let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.
We'll be supporting that 25-cent man. I'll take a cup, buddy. One cup, please. I'll keep the change.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Gotta support the original hustle, you know what I mean? Look at the pouring skills. The extra lemons in this bowl is really good marketing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Caught my eye. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.